السلام عليكم، مساكم الله بالخير جميعا. Hello everyone. I am here today representing my colleague Mr. Omar Rashid. He did good job for preparing this presentation, but for emergency case he didn't make it. For that reason I am here in behalf of him. Hopefully I'll be good presenter as usual he did before. Why we are here as a Mobaili? You know, Mobaili today, we are become more digital service provider, not as a telco service provider. And we are in the middle of the journey of the big digital transformation to ensure we become strongest digital service provider in the kingdom as well in the region. And from this journey that we have as a digital transformation, we have a lot of lessons learned from this journey, and I would like to share it with you, the key lesson learned that we have it. As you know, most of the use cases in the global shows that 70% of the transformation is failed. And we are here today to present what is the lesson learned to minimize the failures and enhance the success rate of the transformation as a digital transformation at your organization, whatever is NGOs or government or private sector. Telco is the connectivity. Connectivity today, it's become mandatory, something very important for our families, for the social life. We can't go, even for the work, even for the play. So the connectivity, it's become an oxygen for our lifestyle in daily basis, in the socially, in the economic, in the government, in the country overall. I believe everyone knows about the needs hierarchy of the human. I recall a few months back ago, one of the real estate developers in Riyadh, the north of Riyadh, he ran a survey for the Saudi household asking them, what is the most important things that you need to get it before you move to the new houses? Most of the result showed that the Saudi families ask, number one, please make sure there is internet connectivity. They didn't ask about the power, they didn't ask about the water supply, they asked about the internet connectivity. They said, we'll not move to the new houses until we have the connectivity. So we believe the hierarchy of the human needs, the internet connectivity, it's become one of the fundamental things that need to be covered. For that reason, you know, the telcos, if you go outside your house, you can find our lovely towers over there. These lovely towers will provide you the connectivity and the services from the voice and the data and the access to the internet every time and everywhere. The telcos become everywhere and everything in front of the customers 30 years back ago when we offer the mobile services. So we offer the phone calls, any place outside your houses, as well the SMS, and we become in front of our customers as everything in front of them. This was a good way for a telco in front of the customer to show that we are the whole ecosystem in front of our customer. However, things has been changed in very dramatic way. The life before the iPhone is different than the life after the iPhone. After the iPhones, the people, they have computer in their hands. So the needs become changed and the users become hungry for the download speed, upload speed of the internet, the latency and the quality of the service as well, and the coverage, everything. For that reason, the telco operators across the globe, including as well as a mobile, for example, we invest billions of dollars by upgrading our network, by offering 3G network, by offering 4G networks to ensure that we are satisfying our customers. However, this kind of the platform, when we offer this kind of infrastructure where we have good latency, where we have high bandwidth of internet served our customers, OTT become more benefits from this infrastructure. So we are the investor in this infrastructure, we upgrade it, but however, the whole benefits go to the OTT, the service provider. And there's a lot of example, for the game service provider, video on demand, whatever. All this OTT benefit from the infrastructure. So the game become not a good way for the telco operators. We become as a dummy transmission media for the OTT without benefiting it from a telco operator as a mobile or any telco operators across the globe. For that reason, as we said, first we were everything. We offer everything as ecosystem, the mobile, voice, data, and SMS, but with this kind of friends where they benefit from our network without benefiting for the telco operators, we lost everything. However, we believe with the new era of the 5G, we believe it is the time for the telco operators and as well for mobile. We believe in ourselves that we could now, with the 5G, we could change the game in front of our customers. With the 5G, we believe we will be digital service provider, so we could back again in front of customer that we're going to be a part of the ecosystem. We create value to the benefit for the customers, and maybe we could back again for everything, or at least most of the thing in front of our customer. However, to be a digital service provider, it's required a big transformation as an organization overall, as operating model overall. And this kind of transformation, it is a journey, it is endless journey, it is about people, about the business model, about organization, about the legacy, about everything. And we will go about what the lesson learned that we have from this journey. When we start examine the strategy of the digital transformation for the Mobiley, we want to be part of the successful story, the 30% of the organization who is success for the digital transformation. So I'm gonna highlight what is the 4 main lessons learned with Mobiley for the digital transformation. Number 1, we need to be refocused in our aims as an organization. So the strategy end to end should be leveraging the digital. The digital should be everywhere. That we use the digital to serve the customer. Our focus for the strategy as an organization overall, our focus should be in the customer. We need to provide a solution for their problems through the digital. We need to provide their needs or requirements through the digital as well. Number 2, we have to face our legacy that we have it, and this is part of the successful story for any organization. So as a transformation for Mobiley, it's not about bringing a new body and remove the whole legacy and we start again from different way, different operating model. No, we have to leverage in the existing legacy. Without leveraging in the existing legacy as a fundamental base to start the transformation, it is a lose case for any organization across the globe. For that reason, we understand the legacy that we have today. We understand where is the lever that we can transform it. We understand where is the area we can start with it as a priority 1, then priority 2, and the priority 3. For that reason, we design a transformation starting from the legacy until the vision that to be materialized, inshallah, very soon. I would like to highlight part of the transformation of the legacy. There is a new champion come last 2 years, which is the COVID-19. This is the real champion who is supporting us as a Mobiley to accelerate digital transformation. As you know, any transformation in organization, you face a challenge, transform as a management change, people, cultures. The new champion who's visiting us 2 years, supporting Mobiley, and I believe supporting the whole organization across the globe, to push the people, to push the organization to accelerate the digital transformation. The third point is enabling your teams. Any transformation that success in any organization, also for Mobiley as well, we bring the right talent and we empower them and we trust them as well. The soldier behind any transformation of any organization, it will be not succeed unless you have the right talent, you give them the enablement tools to be empowered, as well you trust them for the whole journey until you finish your version 1 of the transformation, then you'll go to the 2 and the 3 and later on. 4, as we said before, digital transformation, it's a journey, endless journey. It is not a destination. It is something will be continue for the whole life, okay? This should be part of the DNA of the digital transformation. For that reason, even when you design a KPIs for the whole team of the organization, it should be focused on the objective. focus how to serve the customer better, how to make this country better, how to bring new services and products better way. So it is a journey, it is not a destination. As a recap, the 4 pillars as a lesson learned that we believe as a Mobaili, this is successful factors, pillars for any organization for the digital transformation: refocus your aim, face your legacy, enable your teams, and grow gracefully. As we said, digital is a journey, not a destination. Thank you, guys.